Paula here. Want to talk to you really quick about this DRAMM breaker head. This is the 170, so basically it has 170 holes on the top. This is DRAMM breaker number 12349. It is made out of plastic except for this top part, which is made of metal, and then it will have automatically a washer on the inside of it. So the other size that DRAMM makes is going to be this 400, which will have 400 holes on the front. Again, this is actually made out of plastic, and then the front is made out of metal, and then it has a washer as well. So I just want to go ahead and connect this one onto their wand so that you can see exactly what it looks like and how it sprays. One of the best things that's good about this one is that if you have low water pressure, this is actually going to be a better breaker head for you. But with DRAMM wands, you can actually interchange whichever breaker head you're needing. Okay, so now that I have that on there, I'm going to go ahead and actually turn it on so you can see. So lots of water pressure and fantastic for when you're trying to go ahead and water plants. Oh, that's actually too much water pressure. It's what I really love about wands is that you can also go ahead and water your hanging baskets. You don't have to reach so far or get any of the water on you if you just are holding your handle. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great day.